Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making a video showing you how to humidify your space. Now, if you live in a smaller home or in a room that needs to be less dry because you have dry nose, you're starting to get bloody nose, this is the little hack device that I'm going to be teaching you. It's quite simple, as you can see, and these are products that are things that everyone has at their house. What you're going to need is 1, clothes hanger, 2, towel, and 3, container, pot, or something like this. And the premise is pretty simple, as you can see. What you're going to do is fill the pot with water, then you get the towel, hang it, make sure it's spread out, and then you're going to put one end into the water. Now, when you put that one end into the water, it's going to keep soaking the towel so that the towel is moist, and then the heat is gonna, the water is gonna start evaporating, and then it's gonna moisturize the room. So what I like to do is I have a few of these and I set them up around the house. This is if, you know, like a giant humidifier might be a little bit on the pricey side. So then if you're only gonna be dry, your place is dry for couple weeks out of the year, a month out of the year, this is a nice little option. So like I said, you can also do a smaller version of this and then fill this with water, have these all over the house. Or if you have a lot of, say like paint can type size containers, pots, little trash cans, go ahead and just set it up. I mean, we're using this window right here, but then wherever you can hang a towel, it doesn't even have to be a clothes hanger. It could be like, you know, a wooden bar or something, and then you basically hang the towel. And as long as you have one end into the pot of water, it's gonna work. What I recommend is having the short end of the towel facing you outward instead of it being behind like this, And the reason why is because if it starts dripping water on this end, you won't be able to see. So yeah, this is just a little hack, save you some money from buying a humidifier, and go ahead and try it at home and tell me what you guys think. Like or comment if it helps. I appreciate it. It helps me out. And thanks for watching, guys.